Hi, my name is Andrei Yakovenko from New Element Training. In this video we will do another variation of a so-called bent over row exercise where we're particularly going to try to target these muscles here on the side of your back called latissimus, or lats for short. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so each time we post a video you'll be one of the first to know, you won't miss any of those videos. Now the way we're going to do this variation is you're going to kneel on one on one side, on one knee, in this case in my right knee. You're gonna put your left leg in front of you, this way. You're gonna put the rubber band right under your foot. And I like to hold the rubber band very close to the floor and to my foot so I get the most amount of resistance. Now, these are the main cues. Number one, make sure your elbow is tucked in towards the torso. Number two, and this is very important, before you actually pull the rubber band, what you want to do, you want to shorten the distance between your shoulder and your hip. You kind of be doing crunch, almost in the oblique, here, there. Okay? So, elbow tucked in, and then I kind of shorten this distance, I push my shoulder down towards my hip. I shorten this distance here, and I can really feel now my lats being engaged. Now, once I feel my lats, this muscle here being engaged, I keep pushing the elbow down, and I'm pulling another cue, I'm pulling the elbow not high up towards the ceiling, but towards the back wall, towards that way. And I so in this position, my lat is so contracted now, it's almost cramping. It's like it's almost, I feel that cramping it, which is perfect, that's what we want. And again, as I'm coming down, I keep this distance short between my shoulder and my hip, until about here I'm beginning to lose the contraction on my lat. I stop, and again I squeeze that muscle again, and I'm bringing the elbow back, and the focus here is not really as much on the movement itself, not on the rubber band. What I'm concerned about is feeling this muscle, my lat. And again, here I'm losing kind of intensity on it, and again I shorten that distance, I squeeze that muscle, and pull my elbow back until my lat is fully cramping. Let's assume this is the last one, and I'm gonna take 30-second all-out static squeeze, statically squeeze, just squeezing this muscle at the top of the range of motion position as hard as you can for 30 seconds. It's been already about, 10 seconds or so, let's do 20 more seconds. Squeeze hard, come on, 15 more seconds. Yeah, come on, 10, harder, 8, 7, harder, 6, all out. Every last fiber in the lats, come on, don't hold anything, come on, hold, come on, fight, 5, 4, 3, 2, then when I'm kind of done, I cannot really squeeze that muscle anymore. I'm gonna take 10 or so seconds slowly, come down, and lower the resistance. Yeah, so those are the main cues. Elbow tucked in, make sure you do that crunch first, shorten the distance between your shoulder and your hip. Feel the lat. Now once you feel it, squeeze it, and keep squeezing it and pulling the elbow back, not up. And another important cue, make sure you make it about the muscle, not the movement. This one is very subtle one. It has to be done right. If you're not gonna do it right, likely than not, you probably won't feel much in your lat, in your back, and it's mostly gonna feel it in your arms. And frankly, this is still a bit light for the arms. So make sure you follow those cues. And of course, you're gonna do it for the other side as well. If you have any questions, you can visit our website, newelementtraining.com, or shoot us an email at info@newelementtraining.com if you have any questions or perhaps like to book an online virtual session.